Hello everyone, this is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. Thank you for joining us today. I am going to show you a quick card that we made a while ago on one of our Facebook Lives, and we are just finally getting around to posting a video on this. And it is a cute card. It's with one of the bundles that are carrying over into the annual catalog. This is the piece of cake and the cake builder set. Right here. This was in our occasions catalog, but it is carrying over. And so we're going to be using this cake stamp right here. We're going to be using it says, enjoy every crumb, this saying right here. And then this one is, if I can remember, hope this year is a piece of cake. So right here. So those are the stamps that we're going to use for that set. I'm just going to set them aside. Set this aside for now as well. We're also going to be using our black memento ink. We're going to be using our light and dark Highland Heather blends. You're going to need a 7-inch strip of this mini, oh goodness, what's it called? The mini striped ribbon. And you're going to need a scrap piece of paper to punch your cake on. I also went ahead and punched out my cake stand right away. And then you're going to need a piece of Whisper White that is, it is 5 1/4 by 1.5 inches. And then you're going to need another piece that I sent through the embossing with the Polka Dot Basics embossing folder. And this is measured at 5 1/4 by 4 inches. And then you're going to need just your regular card base, which this particular one we did at 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to punch, or not punch, excuse me, we're going to stamp our cake. Perfect. All right, now we're going to set that aside. And on this particular piece right here, I am actually going to use our saying. Actually, we're going to do the stamping for this as well. Okay, good deal. Set that aside. And we are done with the ink for now. All right, this should have dried just a little bit. So what we're going to do is just color it in with our 2 markers. Okay, so there we have that. Now the next thing is we're going to take our cake builder punch and we're going to turn it upside down and we're going to slide this all the way down until it lines up. Pretty good. And then this one you can save for later. All right, perfect. So now we're going to begin building our card. So we're just going to give this a good fold right down the middle where the crease mark was, and we're just going to go over it with our bone folder, make sure it's nice and crisp. All right, so now we are going to adhere this on with dimensionals, but before I do that, I am going to place this directly on here like so, and then we're going to take our ribbon and place it on here. All right, perfect. Love it. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to pop up our cake on top of here. And I'm actually going to use just a little bit of glue on the back side of this. All right, now we're going to use some dimensionals again. And voila, there we have it. Isn't that cute? All right, now we just need to stamp on the inside, and we will use our black ink again. Just a quick thing that says, enjoy every crumb. Voila, as I hit the lamp. Okay, and we're all done. Look at that. Quick, simple, easy card. And the one that we made on our Facebook Live, let me find that one. Under all my stuff. All right, here's the other one that we made. Love it. All right, thank you so much for joining us. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or anything, please let us know. Thank you.